Hello everybody. So as you can see, it's raining outside. I just pulled the new 6135 RV shift Deutz-Fahr tractor over to photograph it, and it started raining on me, so I thought I would do a quick demonstration of how to actually drive the new RV shift. So as you can see, we've got this nifty little joystick here, and the fundamentals of it, we have field and road mode. So as you can see in the dash, when I hit field it will change. So it's starting off in gear 5. We can, I'll just hit the button at the side here, so we can change that. We can start off in gear 3, 2, 1. So I leave it in 5, and then we can go back out and say our max gear is, so our minimum gear, obviously we can go down to gear 1, and our max gear is gear 15. So then we go for into road mode. I have us starting in gear 9. The minimum it'll let me go down to is gear 7, because again we're in road mode, so we shouldn't really need to go any lower than that, and our max is obviously gear 20. When we are driving the tractor, so I'll just put it into gear and handbrake off. As we're in field mode, we'll start in gear 5, clutch out, and away we go. To go up a range, just dab forward. As you can see, we're into gear 6, dab forward into 7. We can then sort of press and hold for a slight second, and it'll actually go up 2 gears. So we're back in 5. If I press and hold, we've now jumped up to 9. Well, I must have held it too long. Then there's a button on the back of the gear stick that if we push, mainly in road mode, so if I just clutch and brake here and put the tractor into road mode, you can see it's alternating between field and road. So whenever we're in road, we're starting in gear 9. If we start to drive here, we're in gear 9. If I hold the button in the back and push the lever forward, we've now jumped to gear 12. As it goes up in increments of 3, we can then just dab again. We're up into 13, up into 14, and then obviously coming to our road end, or in this case a gate, we slow down again. And if we keep our foot in the clutch, it will reset the gear 9, which is our starting gear. Yeah, quick interior view. I suppose we have 4 spool valves, one of which is operated electronically with this button. Handy draft control here for up and down. If we need it out of the way, we can twist it out round like this to adjust some other settings. 4-wheel drive diff lock. There's a few more settings on the RV shift controller. We can preset either of these jolly buttons. We have a purple, grey, or a purple, a white, a brown, and a grey. We can set our cruise, so we can go forward and back on this stick, and we don't have to use the shuttle. We can set our cruise by hitting to the left, and then you can preset this little up and down jolly button to adjust the cruise up and down in speed, or you can set it to do anything you want it to do. At the minute, for some reason, this one from the factory is actually set on front suspension, so as you can see, it went down there. We'll hit it again and it'll come back on, whoever set it that way. This tractor is loader ready, so we have our loader joystick up here, and as I hit earlier, the settings are controlled from here, but if you hit this orange button, it does take you direct into your starting gear, which is very easy to set. You have various settings within the dash, really easy to work. So yeah, the sun's coming back out again. I'm going to go and try and finish photographing, but I just thought I'd do a quick video around the new 135 RV shift. Also, it's the exact same in the Sami or Lamborghini, the Sami Virtus, so I'm not actually sure what Lamborghini is, but this is the RV shift transmission. It can also be got in TTV, real handy, nice, lovely to work with, real instant shift as well, as it's derived from a CVT box. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thanks.